G'day and mods time. Today we'll be looking at upgrading our plastic roller on Ozito Cylinder Mower with a stainless steel one. G'day buddy. I take safety here very seriously, so we'll be looking at our PPE used today and I encourage everyone to do it. So we'll start with some glasses, our eyes protection. We'll carry on with some ear protection. Lucky me, I have a mask too. And not the last one, we'll get some gloves as well on board. Being safe not necessarily means being boring. So, good day blokes again. I forgot to introduce you and mention the last ingredient of the day, the grinder. That's out. And we're gonna slide in the new one. Just like that. So that one's been modded. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and of course comment.